In this video, we will learn how to convert dozens of common documents to PDF using a single multi-purpose API in Python. More specifically, we'll be using Cloudmersive's ConvertDocument to PDF API, which automatically detects input file formats before making high-fidelity PDF conversions. We will be doing a quick demonstration today in Google Colab, and we'll get up and running in minutes with easily accessible code examples. First, we'll get the pre-formatted Python code examples we need from Cloudmersive's API console page. On the Convert API page, we'll find code examples for the ConvertDocument to PDF API on the ConvertDocument path. Selecting the ConvertDocument to PDF API dropdown will give us a brief description of the API capabilities, and at the bottom, we'll find the option to implement the Convert API client with Python code examples. There isn't a lot of code here, so the first thing we'll do is select all these examples at once, copy them, and then paste them in our environment. We'll take care of all our formatting from there. As a first step, we'll cut the pip install command and paste it in our terminal. This installs the Convert API client in our environment so we can take advantage of the pre-formatted imports included in our code examples. Next, we'll configure our API key by replacing this placeholder text here with our Cloudmersive API key string. As a quick aside, we can use a free Cloudmersive API key with 800 API calls per month to test Cloudmersive services, and we can get one by creating a free account on the Cloudmersive website. My API key is stored in Colab's secret tab, so I'm using the code examples that Colab provides to set my API key configuration. Now we'll configure our file input. This API can handle dozens of different files, so we'll upload a few unique test files on the local path. In this example, we'll grab a Microsoft Word document and a PNG image for now. We will test a conversion with our Microsoft Word document first. To do that, we'll just set the input file variable equal to our local file path. Before we run our code, however, we'll also want to get rid of the pprint statement and replace it with a with_open statement that writes our API response to a new PDF on the local path. After that, we'll run our code and wait for the new document to populate. Once we see our new document populate, we'll replace the file path with our image file, and we'll alter the output file name so we don't overwrite the original document. Now we can take a look at both our output PDFs. In my example, we'll notice the Word document converted into a simple text-based PDF, and the image file was rendered into a PDF page. Over 100 different image formats are supported in this conversion, along with most Microsoft Office files. And that's all there is to it. Now we have an easy catch-all solution for making PDF conversions in our Python applications. If you have any questions after following along with this video, please feel free to contact a member of our team.